Macrophages, a cell of the immune system, play an essential role not only in the early response to microbial infection, but also regulate tissue function and inflammation. Inflammation is a physiological reaction that contributes to the restoration of damaged tissues, but if not properly eliminated, it can turn into a chronic form with the possible development of many chronic inflammatory diseases of the connective tissue involving the cardiovascular, pulmonary, musculoskeletal system, etc. Macrophage hyperactivation usually contributes to chronic inflammation. Their function can be therapeutically optimized with coenzyme Q10, idibenone, succinate, vitamin C, K, E, B1, B2, lipoic acid, etc. Drugs such as benzoyl resveratrol, and so on act directly or indirectly on the master regulator of mitochondrial biogenesis and also manipulate mitochondrial metabolism. If your patient has one of these conditions, why not try some of these drugs? Thanks for likes and sharing.